the music in this thing. This is the elevator at Restoration Hardware here in Pinecrest. We have a KONE 5,000 pound capacity. It's not even that great music either. Just the slightly more insulting bit. Oh my gosh, they got a full restaurant up here. Okay, the rear door doesn't work. Get a cat view. KSS 570 and number 2. Door closed does not work. This button doesn't even look there. It goes. I said it doesn't even light up. This is a much smaller Restoration Hardware than some of the other ones I've been to. Hello.